I'm really honored that you would all take time out on this beautiful Southern California Sunday to come out and hang with us in our newly opened and officially being opened Design Center here at Santa Ana.
I'm not just a relationship with System Pavers, I'm an actual customer. I have the most amazing backyard, thanks to these guys. And it is an absolute extension of our home. It's not a place we go to sometimes, it's a place we go to all the time.